Let me take you on a journey into the intricate world of HVAC procurement for gigafactories. Imagine a landscape where transparency, optimized communication, and process enhancements are revolutionizing the game for contractors. This is a story about the importance of transparency with a trusted advisor, managing stakeholders, and the value of strategic partnerships. Picture this: a fragmented industry with numerous parties in the value chain, leading to channel conflict and confusion. The latest information is often not the final information, causing frustration and impacting project timelines. The result? Compromised project efficiency, damaged trust and credibility, mounting frustrations, and increased costs. This is a shared problem, deeply rooted in the status quo, affecting all of us. We exist in a highly fragmented ecosystem. Local market structures and ease of entry have created a landscape of mostly small companies with limited economies of scale. The project-based construction process involves many steps with scattered accountability and numerous activity entities in every project. From specialist engineering and planning companies to multiple subcontractors and material suppliers, the low level of collaboration across the value chain results in a siloed ecosystem where companies manage their own risk and frictions at the intersection points are high. You're not alone in experiencing these challenges. A study by McKinsey & Company highlights just how pervasive the issues in our industry supply chain are. The challenges were exacerbated by COVID-19, but interestingly, changes to the dynamics in our shared space were already on the horizon before the pandemic. The need for change is clear and already in motion. Contractors are driving changes to elevate supply chain issues, such as turning to alternative suppliers, specifying alternative materials or products, stockpiling items before winning contracts, and accelerating purchases after winning contracts. This brings us to a key question. How can Trane overcome the issues that plague the traditional supply chain to create value for general contractors? Our answer? Transparency. About 18 months ago, we set a course for driving transparency in our portion of the value chain. We created our Strategic General Contractor Program, giving us the privilege of focusing on significant changes to overcome some of the ingrained challenges of the industry. Let me share a couple of examples demonstrating how we are driving change at Trane. From the start, we emphasized the importance of reaching out directly to contractors. By forming direct relationships and communicating early in the process, we all stand to gain. To support those relationships, we recognize the need for transparency in our communications and key processes. Remember the challenge of a last-minute delay in equipment delivery? Trane is working to help meet competitive lead times. However, this is a complex, multifaceted industry, and things can happen. So, we are leveraging technology to provide visibility to the key milestones leading up to the delivery of products. Imagine this. We used to rely on spreadsheets to track chiller delivery progress. The files had to be updated regularly and made available to multiple local offices. Someone at the local office had to check the file, and if there was an issue, they had to reach out to the appropriate channel partner to alert them. Then, we trusted that the channel partner took appropriate actions. Now, we are piloting different tools that allow you to see key milestones in the manufacturing and delivery process and alert you if there's an issue. Think of it like ordering a pizza and receiving email updates tracking its progress. Our goal is to provide reassurance and proof that all is progressing as promised. In those instances where there is an issue, we want to alert you as early in the process as possible. The expectation? Improved customer experience, established relationships and direct lines of communication, enhanced trust based on visibility, reduced frustration, and efficient, on-time, on-budget projects. Our focus at Trane is centered around transparency to truly earn our place as the trusted thermal management advisor and solution provider for general contractors. Driving transparency is only one part of the equation. Nothing else matters if we can't actually, 1, persuade key stakeholders that the changes we've discussed are worth implementing, and 2, get them to change their behavior to do it. Let's talk about the diverse group of stakeholders in our ecosystem. Each group brings a different perspective, driven by their specific roles and responsibilities within the larger value chain of Gigafactory operations. These roles are crucial for ensuring that HVAC systems are not only technically efficient, but also aligned with the strategic goals of the organization and the operational needs of the factory. The final key to overcoming the inherent challenges and complexities in this space is elevating the role of collaborators who want to work strategically, not just transactionally with you. The HVAC and building systems in gigafactories and high-tech manufacturing facilities are excruciatingly complex. The level of interoperability and integration required to manage these systems efficiently is truly a work of art. When it doesn't go right, operations move from the choreographed synchrony of a well-trained orchestra to that of an elementary school recorder pageant. Step 1 in finding the right strategic partner is identifying someone with the breadth of experience necessary to coordinate several different subsystems into one cohesive operational view. Step 2. Communicate, communicate, communicate. Open, direct communication and strong, trusted relationships lay the foundation for success. Improved system integration of HVAC with other critical systems within a gigafactory is essential for creating a cohesive and efficient infrastructure. Helping to reduce operational disruptions is crucial, as well-coordinated systems reduce the likelihood of conflicts that could lead to operational disruptions. For example, when HVAC systems are designed in tandem with electrical and plumbing systems, there are no space clashes or incompatible controls that could cause system failures. Cost efficiency and sustainability are also key. Tailored systems help use less energy and reduce waste, lowering operational costs and enhancing sustainability. These systems can be designed to leverage renewable energy sources or integrate advanced technologies such as heat recovery ventilators to further help reduce energy use and carbon emissions. Speed of implementation is another benefit. Collaborative efforts streamline the design and installation processes, allowing for faster implementation of HVAC systems. This speed is crucial in fast-paced industries where time to market can significantly impact competitiveness. Adaptability and scalability are also important. Collaborative designs consider future scalability from the outset, making it easier for gigafactories to expand or adapt their systems in response to changing market demands or production needs. For instance, modular HVAC designs can be scaled up or reconfigured with reduced disruption to ongoing operations. With a collaborative team, you can expect enhanced project outcomes through the pooling of expertise, potential business growth and expansion by opening up additional markets and opportunities, and risk sharing through shared resources and responsibilities. Here at Trane Commercial HVAC, you have access to a broad array of thousands of local-to-you technicians who bring expert service to your facility. In closing, Trane has been building a business based on value creation for more than 140 years. We are well positioned to take on the supply chain issues that matter most to you.